Happy New Year. I hope that you are having a great start to 2023. I spent my New Year's Day working for you. And boy, have I delivered in spades. I'm going to tell you all about coming up my review of the New Year PLR bundle from Jason Oracle. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I'm not the man in the hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am with a very few people who can go successfully. Well, made my brain meal over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they are stale, they're boring. They are so 2022, and it's not 2023, so I really gotta get new jokes, but hey, I like them, so I keep them around. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, I do reviews two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And by the way, there's such a thing, my exclusive very basic information that you, the buying bunch of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. You know, the guy drove Jerry Seinfeld crazy on his TV show. Now he's driving me crazy. He's been taking turns with these other people, especially Bart on The Simpsons. You know, Bart is the worst. You'd think he has Simpsons money, he could finally get himself a new line, but no, he keeps doing it. And now Newman. But seriously, if you are new, with his work, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My ask for product credit. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do live videos on law mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. And you see, Liz, she also says something else. I mean, I think I would be angry at her, but she's just a sweetheart. Who can get angry at her? Such a wonderful lady. Anyway, but seriously, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Jason Oracle's New Year's PLR bundle. Now, this is every lead magnet he's put together in 2022. It's now available to build your list, and now in 2023, you can see there's 16 products here that are included with this package. That alone makes this thing worthwhile. Okay, you got 7 PLR questions answered. Speech page formula, block cash formula, PLR member formula, free member for free report formula, sales funnel formula, simple affiliate formula, 7 affiliate blunders, 10 newsletter blunders, iron survival formula. That way you can see yours for yourself, etc., etc., etc. Okay, right now, this is on a dime sale. Right now it's going for $16.07, which is a bargain for this. But I am going to make this the world's biggest no-brainer because I just spent my entire New Year's Day putting together a massive, massive, massive PLR package for you. And unlike anything else, this is all brand new content. You literally can't buy it elsewhere. Okay, I just sat here writing my really. I wrote a novella today. I mean, it's insane what I put together. But I put together over 30,000 words of content for you. Okay, I put together a package with 101 ways to make money online in 2023. These are all brand new. You can't get these elsewhere. Okay, it's not something that I recycle from elsewhere. These are, every single one of these was custom written just for this thing. They are not available elsewhere, and there are, again, 101 different methods. Okay, and some of them you probably heard of. Some of them you probably have never heard of. Some of these are really, really cool ideas. Let me just, I'm scrolling through it and want to find something that's interesting. Become a virtual bridesmaid, for example. I bet you never thought of that idea, but it's cool. And by the way, for the man, you can always become a virtual best man. I know it sounds weird, but it's true. I've done the research on it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, let's see. Of course, you know you can get paid to play video games, but that's kind of an obvious one. Oh, here's one. Answer text messages. Yep, you can make money answering text messages. I'm going to tell you how to do it. And again, by the way, these come with PLR rights. So you actually get to sell this content, give it away, use it as your own bonus. It is yours to do with as you please. It has unrestricted PLR rights included with this package. That is really insane. Okay, let me find some of the more interesting ones. Zero risk matched betting. That's a really cool idea that I found. Okay, Let's see. Okay, taking notes on virtual classes and selling them. This is one that I never would have thought of, but as I doing my research, I found it. Very cool idea. All right. Let's see. I just want to find some other stuff, and as I'm going through, I'm kind of like fixing a couple of little things here and there. Oh, become an online dating group. That one was really awesome, and there's some really interesting things to know about that, which you just wouldn't think of it, you know. Let's see. Some other interesting ones. Oh yeah, selling recipes, of course. You wouldn't think you could sell recipes, but you can. And I'm going to show you where to do it and how to do it. And again, you get PLR rights on this stuff. Okay, become a remote security guard. That one was just blew my mind, the idea you could do that, but you don't have to be walking around in the middle of the night wearing one of those silly rent-a-cop uniforms. You can actually do it all from the comfort of your home. Okay, that one was really bizarre stuff. All right, let's see. Okay. Some of the other interesting stuff. Oh yeah, let's see. Selling jokes. Believe it or not, there's a whole bunch of websites you can sell jokes on. And if you want to sell jokes, you can do that. Also help new immigrants to acclimate to the new country and get paid for that. Let's see. Become a virtual party planner. Again, all online. Okay, and the nice thing about this, by the way, every single one of these is completely unique, brand new content. There's over 30,000 words of content. This alone should become its own product, which I'm probably going to be doing that. I'm probably going to take this down for a few days and actually sell this as its own product. But I wanted to get you up to a good start with 2021. There's actually websites that pay you, by the way, to watch TV. I found a whole bunch of them actually that pay you for watching TV. I know it sounds crazy. It's true. There's websites that will pay you to watch TV. There's places you can play the lottery for free. Yeah, seriously, play the lottery for free. That's included here as well. You get full PLR rights to this content. Okay, this is just some really, really, really cool ideas that you just wouldn't think of. You can get paid to grade exams. Get paid to grade exams, okay? And no, you don't have to be a teacher for that. Okay, you can even do modeling from your home. Who would have thought to do modeling from your home? You think you have to go out and get dressed and go to faraway places and whatever else. No, do it from your home. Believe it or not, I'll show you how to do that in this 101 ways to make money online. And it's all with full PLR rights. That's what's so insane about this, is that all of this comes with PLR rights, and there's over 30,000 words of content that you have full rights to now. Okay, you can break it up and turn it into your own reports. You can sell it, whatever. Plus, I'm also going to give you mock-ups. You can go ahead and customize for your own stuff. Basically, you're going to get the templates for mockups. You can customize the templates instead of just making mockups for you. You can customize them to be whatever you want. Because I realize some people don't want my custom-made mockups. Some people want to just make their own and completely unique. This way, you have the templates. You can actually customize using it with those templates. Really incredible stuff. Let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here everything is just straight up downloads. Okay, you can literally just pick up everything, right? And it all comes with PLR rights again. So you can go ahead and get that. I do have the upgrade version over here, which includes the unrestricted PLR. I think it just gives you additional rights to it, but this does come with PLR rights. You can use these as your own lead magnets. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip on my head supply creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you the man. Listen, this is a great way to start off 2023 by getting yourself some incredible content. And of course, you're getting over 30,000 words of brand new content that I just created today. Okay, this is insane stuff. This is the biggest bargain you're ever going to see. And it's right here, right now. Grab it, you're going to love it.